Good morning and welcome to 111 Life. Well, this is day 6 of our adventure in Norway. The snow is like up to my hip this morning. Don't know if you can see that there. But yeah, it's quite deep. We are heading further into Lofoten today, so let's see what today brings us. I'll just turn around, hopefully you can see the views which we can see outside our room. So let's get on the road. Well, we just put the drone up. Hopefully the footage will be alright, but you'll see anyway, because if there's no drone footage after this clip, then it didn't go too well. But we tried a bit and the battery's just eaten away with the cold. So we're heading off to a Viking museum. It's about 33 kilometers away. So unless we stop on the way, which is highly likely, we'll see you at the museum. Well, we've arrived in Bootstad to the Viking Museum, so hopefully they'll let us record inside. Very cold indeed. So we're just going to wander up, see if we can get a coffee, and then we'll have a look at a few Viking relics. See you in a bit. Right, we've made it down as far as Leknes and we're going into the Lofoten bakery for coffee and food. Well guys, if you've ever been around this way, come to this bakery. Food is awesome. It's the Lofoten bakery. Whereabouts are we?
Leknes.
Lofoten Bakery. Leknes. What a great place. Give it a visit when you're down here. Awesome. Hello. Alright guys, we've just stopped off at a place called Flokested. And man, is this windy. I hope this looks as extreme as it is. We're beginning to think that we should abandon this adventure here and go back, because it's blowing me over. This is horrendous. I mean, the sea's great. Franco's gonna go for a swim. He's got his speedos on. It's always good. Sorry about that. I'm having to put a battery pack on. Man, this is rough. Look at them waves. Whoa. Right, I'm getting back in the car. Whoa! Well, after we left the museum, the Viking Museum, we headed off for a sandwich and a coffee in Tromsø Cafe. You'll have seen it already in earlier on in the video. We then thought we'd go to a place called I think it's actually pronounced O, but it's called A. It's the shortest named town in the country. But the weather was so bad, after about an hour's driving, we couldn't see a few feet in front of us, so we did a U-turn, came home, had a little rest, and now we're out for dinner. And as you can probably see in this footage, it is snowing quite heavy. but then it snows quite heavy anyway. But yeah, so we're going to move on. We're going to start moving south from Norway tomorrow morning, first thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications and subscribe for more adventures to come.